I'm Holly from Boson Protocol, and Boson Protocol is building an open tokenized economy for commerce focused on trust minimized digital to physical transactions. So today I'm going to take you through a video demo of how Boson Protocol in partnership with Crucible can be integrated in-game. It's a video because I need to show you multiple devices, so it just helps sort of for a seamless experience today. And a bit of context before I carry on with the video. We have a booming virtual economy with huge opportunities for brand partnerships, for game developers, and in particular, new types of opportunities for connecting in-game assets or collectibles with real-world items or services. So off the back of this, there's a clear need for trust-minimized physical delivery. And Boson Protocol's NFTs, called commitment tokens, can be redeemed for those physical items using automated escrow, game theory behind the scenes, and together with behavioral economics, that minimizes the need for actual human intervention. So game developers, gaming engines, and brands are all working to bring new experiences to users. And we need to protect this evolving supply chain from being captured by an intermediary that then becomes maximally extractive and limits the potential of exchange between those buyers and sellers. And we all know that the metaverse is fast becoming the gateway to most digital experiences. It's a key component of all physical ones and the next great labor platform. So carrying on with our video, which is what you're all here for, this demo is showcasing a new kind of digital to physical experience. And here you can see an example store environment built on the Unreal Engine, with Crucible pioneering this avatar layer that you can see here. So the store that Crucible has built in this demo environment is a set of modular components that can be dropped into a game at engine level to allow avatars to enter the metaverse and have a branded shopping experience in world. And it's this same sort of technology that could be replicated across multiple engines and multiple metaverses. And this is where Boson Protocol is really key, as it provides a bridge from the metaverse to the universe and empowers gamers, game creators, and brands as a result of new value flows via peer-to-peer digital to physical exchange. So our avatar here can actually walk up to different items in this retail space, and you'll see a modal pop up so the player can purchase a product. This mannequin is wearing a Parker jacket made by the fabricant in collaboration with Kylie Kloss and Adidas. And this is a perfect representation of the experience and supply chain that will connect real world brands with actual in-game experiences. So this player here now has purchased the item, which is effectively a commitment token that can be seen in their inventory and redeemed for the real world version of that exact same Parker jacket. So as the integration is built out, the player will also be able to see the 3D models of the items on their avatar. And if they select their actual inventory item, they can see further details of their purchase and how they can redeem the physical version. So they would need to go to a store to do that. This first version is based on a click and collect model. So the player can use the pickup location details to go to the store to collect the item that they purchased. Now, in this integration example, Crucible has a mobile app that players can use to manage their avatar. So a player can open the mobile app and find their purchases in their inventory. So you can see here under My Collection, where they can see, again, all of their purchased items. Now, they can select the item and they can view, again, the details of the item, including where they can pick up the item in store. And in future integrations, they would actually be able to even see where they would be able to get that item delivered to, for instance, see the details of its delivery. Now here, the player can choose to start their redemption journey by selecting redeem, and this brings up the QR code. So in this example, the seller or store clerk has a tablet where they're able to see their collection. For example, all of the items that have been sold and already collected, and all the items that have been sold and not collected. And now the seller scans the buyer's QR code with their tablet, and this brings up the item-specific details for them, where they're able to see that, yes, indeed, this particular player has purchased or committed to this item, this jacket, and you can see the payment amount and deposits from the player and the seller, which are held in the Boson escrow in the center there. So if the player is then happy to proceed with their collection of the jacket, they can hit confirm. And this shows them a signed redemption message. And at the same time, the store clerk can see a new message on their side confirming that the buyer's commitment token has been redeemed and the payment amount has been transferred to the seller's account. So you can see here the 0.1 ETH slide across to the seller's side. So here we see that the sale has been completed, the redemption track has been successful, and the player should now be in physical possession of that item now that the funds have been transferred. And in actual fact, a wait period has been triggered through Boson Protocol. So here, after the wait period has ended, the deposits that have been held in Boson escrow are released. The buyer has, so the player in this case receives their deposit back, and the seller also receives their deposit back, and that completes our journey through this demo of metaverse to physical redemption. So that's it for the video. I guess from my side, what I really wanted to add is, if you're interested in finding out more about Boson, we'd love to hear from you to talk about potential integrations. If anyone wants to leverage Boson Protocol to integrate branding to sell and reward real-world items in-game that can then be redeemed in store or really in any location, we'd love to hear from you. And you can reach out to us in loads of ways. You can reach out to me directly. You can reach us at info@bosonprotocol.io. We're on Telegram as well and on Twitter. So many, many ways to get in touch. And we're also recruiting. So we'd love people to check that out and get in touch if there's anything that is of interest.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Ollie, for